Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, has awarded a total of $1.25 million Jamaican dollars to 50 businesses in a compound in St. Elizabeth. The recipients who were awarded own and or operate businesses in a compound that have a direct impact on the lives of residents in the community. The minister noted that the awardees are involved in honey production, jewelry making, carpentry, craft making and shopkeeping, with the majority being involved in agriculture. Minister Grange presented grants during her ministry's Economic Opportunities Workshop in a compound on Friday. The initiative is part of the minister's program to boost economic activity in the culture-rich Maroon community. These Economic Opportunities Workshops and awards of grants in a compound will follow the successful completion of a similar program in communities close to the Blue and John Crow Mountain World Heritage Sites. People in the parishes of Portland, St. Thomas and St. Andrew also received entrepreneurship training and other types of support from the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. Now, Grammy Award-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul is once again tapping into the Latin market. This time, Sean Paul has teamed up with the Latin superstar J Balvin on an electrifying single dubbed Contra la Pared, or Against the Wall. J Balvin has received 11 #1 Latin singles on the charts. The music video for Contra la Pared was released on Friday and has already racked up over 21 million views on YouTube. Now, dancehall artist Spice will return to Love and Hip Hop Atlanta for a second season. Although she cannot guarantee a drama-free stint on the international TV hit series, she has revealed that her character has grown and will be much more focused this season. The self-proclaimed Queen of Stage will be using the Love and Hip Hop platform to further the discussions around the issues of colorism. Aside from shedding light on the issues affecting Black people, Spice is also hoping to push dancehall even further by being on the show. In the trailer released this morning, Spice can be seen teaching some of the cast members some popular Jamaican jargons.
Parp on the ends. Me and my friend them a parp on the ends.
I'm oblivious. I don't know what that means.
Come on, try. You can do it.
It sounds like it's over. We at the end. It's over.
I really didn't think I'd be so bad at this. Spice, tell me the answer.
This new season of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta will premiere tonight on VH1. Grammy Award-winning rapper Cardi B will make her film debut in the upcoming film titled Hustlers. The rapper joins previously announced stars Jennifer Lopez and Keke Palmer, among others. Hustlers is set in New York City in the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis and follows a group of strippers as they scam their Wall Street trade out of thousands of dollars. The film is based on Jessica Pressler's 2015 article for New York magazine, The Hustlers at Scores. The film will mark Cardi's first major acting role. She got her start on television, appearing as Cardi B in Love and Hip Hop New York for 2 seasons. In 2017, she also made a guest appearance on Gabrielle Union's BET drama Being Mary Jane. Cardi B is also gearing up to kick off a short tour of the Midwest come July 24 in Kansas. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.